Welcome to Vintage Nook. If you love farmhouse decor and DIY projects, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore how to style repurposed decor with beautiful green accents to create a cozy vintage farmhouse look this spring. Get ready for 5 inspiring ideas to refresh your home with charming, budget-friendly touches. Incorporate a distressed wooden ladder as a blanket holder, adding both functionality and charm. Drape soft pastel green throws over it for a subtle yet inviting effect. A gallery wall with repurposed picture frames in shades of green can showcase botanical prints or family heirlooms, creating a warm and nostalgic ambience. Transform your living room into a cozy farmhouse retreat with repurposed decor and refreshing green accents. Start with an antique wooden coffee table painted in soft sage or olive. Pair it with vintage glass bottles repurposed as vases, filled with fresh spring flowers or eucalyptus for a natural touch. Repurpose old wooden crates into rustic storage solutions or side tables. A light green or weathered white finish will enhance their vintage appeal. Fill them with woven baskets for organization or display books and small plants to add personality and freshness to your space. For lighting, consider an upcycled mason jar chandelier or vintage-inspired lanterns with warm LED candles. The soft glow will enhance the farmhouse aesthetic while making your living room feel cozy and welcoming. Mixing green accents with weathered textures will tie the whole look together beautifully. Revitalize your kitchen with green-accented repurposed decor that exudes vintage farmhouse charm. Use an old wooden door or shutter as a rustic backdrop for a hanging herb garden. Mason jars or tin cans painted in mint green make perfect planters for basil, rosemary, and thyme, bringing both beauty and functionality. For a unique centerpiece, repurpose an antique dough bowl or metal tray and fill it with faux moss, wooden beads, and vintage ceramic pitchers in soft green hues. This simple yet elegant arrangement will add a refreshing spring vibe to your kitchen island or dining table. Add character by transforming an old ladder into a pot rack. Hang copper pots and green-tinted glassware for a touch of rustic elegance. This not only saves space but also creates a visually appealing focal point that celebrates vintage and repurposed elements in a stylish way. Give old furniture new life by painting wooden chairs or stools in distressed green tones. Pair them with a repurposed farmhouse table, perhaps one with a whitewashed or natural wood finish. The blend of rustic textures and soft green hues will make your kitchen warm, inviting, and full of personality. Create a peaceful farmhouse bedroom with soft green accents and repurposed decor. Start with an old wooden headboard painted in sage or muted mint for a fresh yet timeless look. Layer it with vintage-inspired bedding in floral or striped patterns, incorporating hints of green to evoke a serene springtime feel. Repurpose antique window frames as wall decor or turn them into a unique mirror. A distressed green finish will enhance their rustic charm. Complement them with floating shelves made from reclaimed wood, displaying ceramic vases, candle holders, and woven baskets in neutral and green tones. For nightstands, repurpose old suitcases or wooden crates stacked together. Their vintage appeal adds character while providing extra storage. Top them with a repainted vintage lamp in a soft green shade, adding warmth and a cozy glow to your bedroom ambience. Drape sheer white curtains with green embroidery or tiebacks to let in natural light. Incorporate fresh potted plants like ferns or succulents in repurposed tin cans or glass jars. These small yet impactful touches will infuse your bedroom with nature-inspired tranquility and farmhouse charm. Bring vintage farmhouse charm to your bathroom with repurposed elements and soft green details. Use an antique dresser or side table as a unique vanity, painting it in sage green for a refreshing touch. A repurposed framed mirror with a distressed green finish will complete the look with rustic elegance. Enhance storage with upcycled wooden crates mounted as open shelves. Store towels in woven baskets and display apothecary jars with cotton balls, bath salts, and handmade soaps. Adding small green plants in repurposed glass bottles will breathe life into the space while maintaining a vintage aesthetic. For decorative touches, repurpose an old ladder as a towel rack or use vintage tin cans as wall-mounted holders for toiletries. A clawfoot tub with a green painted exterior can serve as a stunning focal point, blending classic farmhouse charm with a soothing spa-like feel. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the ambience. Consider installing an upcycled pendant light made from an old metal colander or a vintage lantern. These unique additions will elevate your bathroom's vintage appeal while keeping it bright and inviting. To complete your farmhouse-inspired home, focus on adding small spring accents with green hues. Swap out heavy winter textiles for lighter, airy fabrics in soft green tones. Linen curtains, floral pillow covers, and lightweight throws can instantly freshen up the space while maintaining a cozy feel. Repurpose old glass jars or vintage tins as vases for freshly picked wildflowers or faux greenery. These simple arrangements bring a natural touch, perfect for mantels, shelves, or dining tables. Using pastel-colored ceramic pieces such as plates and mugs can also subtly enhance the spring vibe. For a charming DIY project, create a spring wreath using eucalyptus, dried lavender, or repurposed fabric scraps in green and cream tones. Hang it on your front door or above a fireplace to add a rustic and inviting touch that welcomes the new season with style. Finally, introduce soft candlelight with vintage brass or glass candle holders in muted green shades. The flickering glow will add warmth and intimacy, making your home feel both refreshed and comforting. By layering textures and incorporating greenery, your space will fully embrace the essence of a vintage farmhouse in spring. That's it for today's video. I hope these ideas inspire you to add charming green accents and repurpose decor to your home this spring. Let me know in the comments which idea was your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you next time on Vintage Nook.